Isang boleh menjipero. Pangiran yang boleh.
वो बैंगलोर में वाला था
बहुत और ना चले
तमा waiting in the Indigo Cargo area to receive the dead bodies of Nandruma in Bangalore.
Work in Tripura when he had to go outside to work and he unfortunately met with an accident of a brain hemorrhage. His son along with him was there but could not help or was helpless. Luckily, with the help of all the public, we could bring back and this is remains to be buried in Tripura. This is what we always wanted. The motto of Tripura People Foundation has always been a single point, like any Tripura guys, any Tripura person dies in Bangalore, the dead body should bring to Tripura and the body should be buried or cremated in Tripura. So this is our main purpose. We have been doing that since lockdown. It started from 2019. So far, we have dealt with around 84 dead bodies whom we have brought back to Tripura for the cremation and burial. Thanks. I'm really thankful to see all of you here for the support that you have given. And I believe in the future also we should be able to give getting the same support to whoever family is in need. Thank you very much.
Alaylay mahi ikuhan sere. Ano sa kuhan sere?
Just giving
Dole sa buwang na jatoy te ay President Jin ay Christian lang.
Mereka nak macam sebagai pangin, kalau mau main buat tanah, bantuin tua ini di sana. Bantuin na, apun loya, puluh bandar semua. Ani bagi pengiram sana. Itu puina, entong pui, entpam, sungai anai. Asok pui hai, akomi hai, anam. Tur pui unton di enlang kirna mai hongkal tengah. Manmasiang kan memang yang doa, engkau serta tengah. Atuhin amok siang buat tengah, joy di tengah. Aqua, apiang nane ya di tengah. Mai dalam welfare society harus langkat. Angkata Vandoi nai entuar pui 80 entong pui antur nahi main lang tina tu ehong ko sana ehong ko sana tungkoma mangkata entuar pui nai na na lang terhi kodam ni nang siap ni dulu sama kala mate ehong lang tina ka sana mohin min mun Pam MN, Minsenga, Maram Minhong Lang Lea, Erekan, DWS and Tagi, Long Blue, Energy Maya, Honey Mania Company, trong quên đi hết lần kia anh thôi chứ and special thanks to respected leaders of Mata for extending cooperation. We are very much grateful for your presence here, and we thank you. Really, we thank you from the bottom of our heart. Thank you.
Đó là tuần rồi mỗi năm ta tính đầu mặt tiết chẳng không chỉ là trong trái na in hệ những kia mà rồi chung trong hệ và People's Foundation là trong đối cả là về ngành kia mà chung trong trái na rồi này rồi về mà chung của những sự nào để là để đại pastor doctor rồi sao mà
level educated level some of them
cắt thấy tôi xuất tới hình cả đường
Foudetion लगती है
Present chẳng nhỉ? Những lần TV.
Mark.
Hey, come here. Come here. Bro, come here. See, I'll tell you. Bro, point here is, he is the one who helped to cremate your mother. It should not be feeling so. You should be very thankful, bro. It's all because of you guys who would be helping us. Then only we get more support from public. If you guys run away shying, we have nobody who's going to support us. Understand the point? You should be very thankful that he had run for 7 days during Corona season to cremate your mother. How suffering he have, lightened your whole weight. Otherwise, you would not know how to do what to do also. Right? So you should be thankful. bro. You should be. I thought I did not know is that you are the son of Choimai also. You guys should be at least happily coming forward and thanking by yourself rather than me asking you to thank him.
You understood what we are saying?
You understood what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hindi? Yeah, English. Which one is better? Tell me.
English is okay.
So you understood what I told you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Simthara.
How old are you?
No, 25 running.
25 years. How your mother died? How much? 4 years back.
4 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have struggled a lot while cremating your mother. He did the whole ground level work. I was like, okay, sitting at home, but he was in the ground. Understand the risk of corona.
Yeah.
When people were sitting inside at home, hiding that I should not get corona, he was out in the field with the body of your mother, roaming around to cremate your mother's body.
We really tried to send her in Tripura to her body, but unfortunate there is no protocol on that time.
Okay.
There is no protocol of anything. I mean, like, we can just cremate the body, and for the cremation also we are not getting the place also.
Yes.
Except Nanga, it took 1 week to find the place.
To
get permission.
It was like, the crowd was so huge, the lines were back to back, around 100 of dead bodies were there in the line. Your mother's was a 99 number.
Yes.
But still we could arrange, he arranged, he went. You should be thankful that you could not cremate or bury your mother by your own hands, but he did. You should be very thankful to him, right? You're thankful or not?
Yes.
That should be right.
I'm
It's
happy.
like, that heart feeling should come from yourself rather than somebody else coming and feeling you. Good, at least you came today. Very happy. What would you want to say something to me? To him, please. I have nothing here. It's all his point. See, don't feel shy, okay? It's all
he's
about,
nervous.
it should
I
come from
understand,
your
brother.
heart. Don't get nervous.
I'm speechless and I have nothing to say.
That's what I'm saying. No, just say you're speechless
No worries,
or whatever.
no worries.
I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful very much.
No, see, even I try hard.
Yeah.
I try hard to send your mother, you know,
Yeah, yeah.
but
Yeah,
please
we know the
understand the
protocol.
protocol.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
time, you know, that the corona protocol is very
High
strict and
and
very
yes,
high.
yes.
Yeah. So, but anyways, like you know, the time comes, time
Yeah.
goes, people come and goes. Like you know, even everybody, one day we all have to go.
Yeah.
We have to surrender to God. Like you know, that was a time that you know your mother. She have only that much of time. That's what we can say. Anyways, God bless and take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Now you finish your studies,
Yeah,
everything.
I'm graduating, yeah, from Holy Cross College.
You graduated.
Yeah.
Very good, brother.
She passed away before we, as soon as we complete class 12 board exam only. She passed away now. And we did not even take admission in any station or college. So the things happens.
Anyway, it's a nice
Yeah.
meeting, brother.
Yeah, thank you
Best
so
of
much.
luck.
Thank you so much for this all this
Anyway,
kind of
that's my I think duty as a human to help our people. Anyway, it's a nice meeting once again.
yeah,
Take
thank you
care.
so much. Yeah, yeah, thank you.